can we create something intricate but distinct because it is understandable? Orthogonality in architecture has been at the forefront of design forever. Our newest signature design, Crystal Grid, pays homage to orthogonality's power to create patterns and geometry. We considered the geometric patterns architects use to create balanced and powerful structures when designing Crystal Grid.
Simplicity in complexity is an idea we kept returning to. Perpendicular lines create a sense of clarity, strength, and order. Like old Preciosa signature designs, Crystal Grid is an infinitely customizable light fixture that can be adapted to various spaces. The components are handmade crystal tubes with countless tiny bubbles inside. When injected with light, these bubbles create a special sparkle. And by adding a dynamic lighting effect, the entire installation becomes alive.
What can Crystal Grid do for your space? Let's find out together and bring your lighting vision to life.